In this video, we will learn how to print with wood filament. This is Funhouse wood composite filament. It feels like wood. So let's get started. Yes, this is a very brittle filament. It will easily break while inserting into the extruder. Let's cut it and insert into the extruder. Preheat the hot end and insert. Manually twist the filament so the previous filament will come out and nozzle will be primed. Now open the slicer. I use 0.3 mm of layer height. 2 cells and 3 bottom and top layers are okay. Check optimize wall printing header. It will reduce some time to print in some scenario. I use 20% of infill with grid pattern. Use 220 degrees centigrade of temperature to print this filament. Flow rate to 110%. Lower the retraction distance to prevent the nozzle clogging in the filament. I use 40 mm speed. This print doesn't require support. 2 line of skirt. Make sure everything is okay. Now slice the file and check the preview. Everything seems okay. Let's print it. As you can see, this print is little stringy. Let's clean and sand it. It feels and looks like wood. It is flexible. I use this wood fill clear glossy polish to polish the print. Use half inch of brush to apply on it. Apply on all sides except one side and let it for dry. Then apply on remaining sides. It's still flexible and looking glossy. I had printed another mobile stand using this wood filament.